Hey guys, welcome back to another video, guys. And in this video, guys, we're going to be discussing, your pending delivery confirmation, in DHgate, how you can actually fix it. First of all, guys, I want to explain to you actually what this actually means. Okay, I want to explain to you what this means. So basically, DHgate usually uses multiple couriers or logistical routes to deliver items because it does this throughout China and the rest of the world. And it's actually handled by many people. So what actually happens is, I know they all say pending delivery confirmation and the order trackings are not updated. So what you actually need to do is you basically they don't update the clock until you physically receive the item. So you don't have to worry. You will usually receive it within 3 to 15 business days. That does not, of course, include Sundays or public holidays. What you need to do is download the 17 track app, and don't worry, guys, because DHgate does not release your payment to seller until you actually receive the item. So it's literally that easy and simple, guys. So if this video helps a lot, and what you can do is just like the video. And if it helps, guys, you can comment down below. And if you're still having trouble, you can comment and I will assist you in the comments as well. Until next, guys, make sure you subscribe to Ninja, guys, and I'll see you guys